So today I'm going to show you the workflow for the website redesign, basically how we take a document from Word in here all the way to a final web page using SharePoint document management system. You've heard a lot about SharePoint that we've purchased to build the website. This is the other side of SharePoint, which is what we actually use to track all of our documents. And we are tracking over 1,300 separate Word documents right now. Each of those turns into a web page. They're coming to us from 10 programs and 4 main corporate areas. We've got 7 people just on our side who are going in and out of them all the time. So using SharePoint, knowing where everything is at all times is absolutely critical to us. SharePoint, we've got everything divided into corporate programs. We have it subdivided by the audience type, so healthcare professionals, patients and families, research. We've got images held separately, supporting documents like PDFs everything's in its own separate area. So I'm going to show you just what it looks like in the program section. Patients and families, we've got all 9 programs here. It shows us exactly how many documents are in each one. And if we take a look at PMCC right now, we've got documents in 3 out of 10 different statuses. So we've got 2 in final, 6 in upload in progress, and 184 that have been uploaded. I'm going to add that document that I just showed you just to give you an idea of what the process that we actually walk through. So we upload the document. We're fairly strict about our nomenclature as well, so everything is labeled by program, by section, by clinic name, and in this case I've added Leah test. I've uploaded it. Now this is the first thing that we do when we add any document is we identify it and sort it out right away. So in this case it's for our patients and families section. The program is PMCC, so I select that. It's a Word document. I can also upload a supporting document or an image. Because it's brand new, I'm uploading it into RAW, and I've got the name right here. Add that, and I also identified that it's a clinic and service. I could have also added it as, for instance, something for the health info section. Saved the document, and it's now here in RAW, showing up as a brand new document. Once it's in here, it now moves through the next 10 different statuses that we have. And I can open it. I wanted to work on it. I open it and I can work on it within the browser. I can also open it in Word on my computer and then re-upload it. There's a few different things from here. As I move the document through, basically every time I re-upload it, I edit the properties and I move it into, depending, for instance, if the content lead is reviewing it, if it's in pending approval, which means it's gone back to the program, we need to know that that's where the document is. We can't just leave it hanging around. So we move it through these different statuses until it actually gets to uploaded, which means that the web page has been built. One of the other really powerful things about this version of SharePoint is that we can track our version history. And the version history tells us how many times a document's been changed. This one is brand new, so it's gone through 1 change. But if you take a look at a real document, for instance, our adult congenital clinic, and open the version, you can see it's quite long.